Good afternoon, everyone. So about 3 months ago, I did a quick review of the Misen knife, the $55 knife that is essentially what you would call a chef's grade knife at a much cheaper price. And I said that I would come back later on to see how the knife was performing after aggressive use. And in my opinion, not enough people do knife reviews after, a year of use or, an extended amount of time, being comfortable with the knife. So I was really just getting ready to make some pickled onions and working on a salad for tonight. So I figured I would just drop a quick video. Again, I'm no influencer or anything, but I just really like this knife so much that I want to say something to the people who are always asking me about shopping recommendations and what they should do for certain blades. So what I'm gonna do is I have this blade, and I got an onion, and like I said, I'm making pickled onions. This knife has not been honed, I've not sharpened it, and I'm not going to use a steel on it right now, but I am doing that in order to kind of show how solid this knife has been for, the better half of 3 months. And, like many of you, I've been cooking a lot more at home. I've been frequently using this particular knife just to kind of put the wear and tear into it. I wanted to see how much damage I could do. In turn, I feel like I've been rewarded for everything I've done. So I'm gonna be real legit with you, check it out. So, let's get on camera. Right now, from my experience, this knife is still cutting like, I don't know. I don't want to call it day one, but it's still pretty awesome. Like, I mean, anybody who knows blades well enough knows that over time, without honing, it could have some problems. But like, seriously, when I tell you I've been really happy, like, not much force, very comfortable. Again, I'm not really sliding through, but yeah, she's treating me well. I'm very happy with that. So at the very least, like I said, I'm making pickled onions. I'm not doing anything special. Like, this is just me making, food for the rest of the week. But seriously, I've been very happy. And, I have, a head of romaine here that I was doing, but the last time I had done this demo, I had done the spinach. I'd bundled it up and made a quick chiffonade. So since I'm doing romaine tonight, quick Caesar, same cutting demo. I'm gonna go even thinner this time, but I can't get mad at this. Really, I can't. Like, this knife has been beautiful. And I mean, if I'm being real with you, I've spent money on other knives. They have not lasted this long. They've not been this consistent. And this is fantastic. Seriously, can't be mad about that. So that is literally, 3-minute video, nothing too crazy. I put my elbow on the fucking line, sorry. But I just wanted to drop that because, in my opinion, this blade's worth it. It was worth the money, it's worth the cost, and it is cheaper than a majority of the knives that I own and that you could buy. So far the quality's been great, the hilt has been fantastic, I keep it clean. Now, maybe this is just how I treat my blades versus how other people might treat some of their children, but I feel like I am very particular with my knives. I like to keep them in very good shape. So yeah, I'd say go for it. Really happy with that. I don't think Misen does any special promos or things like that, but if they ever do other sales, jump in on that. And hopefully they like this video. They've been really fantastic. They've been really kind and receptive to a lot of the feedback I've given. And yeah, that's all I wanted to share. Have a good day. Bye.